Hey guys, it's Kylie. My husband just got home and I wanted to show him my really cool hat, and then I thought I should show you guys my new really cool hat. Carly Pierce's team gave us all these Bronco hats. I think it's her sponsor. I thought that was pretty cool. I just asked my husband if he'd take us to Sam's for our 6th wedding anniversary, which is tomorrow. He agreed, so we're going to Sam's Club, and honestly, that's what 6 years of marriage looks like. Going to the grocery store, and that's perfectly all right with us. Tomorrow, we're celebrating my brother's birthday. He turned 25 today, but my brother's days off are Sundays, so we're going to celebrate him tomorrow. And if this whole look that I've got going on doesn't say that man loves me unconditionally, I don't know what does, because I'm wearing a shirt a couple sizes too big. We're going to Sam's Club for grapes, and I'm having him take us to Sam's to fill his car that I drove on the trip. So, I love you, Joe.
Love you too.
Okay. Love you guys. Bye.